I went to school at North Dakota State University, and while there, my undergrad degrees were psychology, political science, and criminal justice. I've always liked helping people, and I was trying to figure out a way to continue to help people after undergrad. So when I was considering my options, one of the main things that kept popping in my head was law school. I had originally wanted to go to law school primarily to be a public defender, work with people in the criminal justice system through difficult times, so I figured going to law school is the best way to put my skills and passions to use. In law school, I worked with several different public defender agencies. The first one was my first semester at the Neighborhood Justice Center in St. Paul. I ran their expungement clinic there and was working with clients immediately into law school. Also in Minnesota, they have the Student Practice Act where you can start appearing in court after your first year. So after my first year, I was already representing clients in expungement proceedings and misdemeanors. From there, I also worked at the Alaska Public Defender Office and was handling misdemeanor cases and also able to handle some felony trials as well with supervisors. After law school, I got a job with the Colorado Springs Public Defender and was there for about 5 years. I handled anywhere from traffic offenses up through homicides as far as trials and cases. So as it relates to the courtroom experience, my clients are in good hands with me, as that's an area I'm extremely comfortable with. I'm used to questioning witnesses, thinking on my feet, dealing with facts that we didn't even know that were going to pop up. I'm different from family law attorneys in several different ways. Once again, my ability to connect with clients, be objective with them, tell them the pros and cons, but also my skill set in the sense of the trial realm. In family law, you get a lot of attorneys that don't have a lot of trial experience. And what I mean by trials are evidentiary hearings. Most attorneys can negotiate. Most attorneys can talk with their clients. But when you actually get into the courtroom, that's a different story. I've done hundreds of family law cases at this point too, as far as custody, divorce proceedings. And the skill set of the courtroom is something that's important to get the result that clients are ultimately looking for. My clients are in good hands with me at every step of the case. From the very beginning, this is me. I'm going to be very open with them, objective with them, so that we can ultimately come up with a negotiation strategy to reach their goals. If we can't reach an agreement, because there are two sides of the case, if we end up going to an evidentiary hearing or a trial, once again, they're in good hands with me because of my trial experience. I'm used to questioning witnesses, presenting the evidence that is needed for my clients to hopefully get the best outcome that they're looking for. And that's why throughout the case, they are in good hands and what sets me apart from other attorneys as well.